In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. If you've ever tried sharing Netflix through Discord, only to have your friends see a black screen instead of the video, this usually happens because of hardware acceleration and content protection. Fortunately, you can adjust a couple of settings in both Discord and your browser to resolve the issue. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. To get started, open Discord in your web browser and head over to the server where you want to stream. Join one of your voice channels so you're connected and ready to share your screen. Once you're in the voice channel, look toward the bottom left corner of Discord and click the Share Your Screen icon. You'll notice that Netflix appears as one of the available windows you can share. However, if you try selecting it at this point, the people watching your stream will most likely see a black screen instead of the actual video. This happens because Netflix uses content protection to prevent its videos from being captured while hardware acceleration is enabled. Instead of trying to stream right away, return to the main Discord window. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. From there, open the Voice and Video section and scroll down until you reach the streaming settings. If you see the hardware acceleration option, make sure it is turned off. Once you've disabled it, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now switch over to your web browser. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then open Settings. Use the search box in the Settings page to search for graphics acceleration. When the relevant setting appears under the System section, locate the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it off. After turning that setting off, you'll see a relaunch button. Click it so your browser restarts with the new setting applied. Once the browser opens again, return to Netflix and sign back in if necessary. Now go back to Discord, join your voice channel again if needed, click the Share Your Screen button, and select the Netflix window. This time, the video should display properly instead of showing a black screen, allowing everyone in the voice channel to see what you're sharing. That's all there is to it. By disabling hardware acceleration in both Discord and your browser, you've completed the necessary steps to stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,